Hello, Joe Williams here. Today I am enjoying a glorious sun-kissed day and I'm celebrating for two reasons. One, it's beautiful. Two, Duolingo, the world's most popular language app, has launched a Finnish version. Hurrah! If you're anything like me, you've been waiting for this moment for years. So I suggest you do what I've done and go and sign up right now. To celebrate this and to showcase the joys of the Finnish language to the world, I'm launching the world's happiest word. For 30 days, we'll be taking words that you choose that make you smile and make you happy and voting on them to find out which is the world's happiest word. So to take part, have a little think, what words make you smile and get ready to share them on all the various different Facebook, Instagram and Twitter channels of Very Finnish Problems. To kickstart the campaign, I'm going to share my 5 happiest Finnish words and show you why they make me smile. One of the words that makes me really happy in Finnish is the word PUPU. There's a couple of reasons for that. One, quite childishly, but it's true, is the fact it sounds in English a bit like poo-poo. But also because PUPU is bunny and I have a great affinity for rabbits. And the other reason, other than my love of bunnies, is the fact that PUPU is another word for people you love dearly. So I might say, come here PUPU. And this little wonderful would arrive. So another word that makes me really happy is PYYKKIPOIKA.
No, PYYKKIPOIKA.
PYYKKIPOIKA. So this is a PYYKKIPOIKA, or PYYKKIPOIKA. And I don't love it because it's a laundry clip. I love it because the sound poo is really satisfying to say. And actually, if you translate it into English, it means laundry boy. Now this is a particularly small laundry boy, but happily, I do have a big laundry boy at hand for you to have a look at. So another word that I really love and which always makes me very happy is the very first word I learnt in Finnish. And that word is moi, which means hello. Moi! 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 Another great thing about the word moi is that if you use it twice, it becomes goodbye. So moi is hello, moi moi is goodbye. Moi moi! So another word I love is LÄMPIMÄMPI. Now LÄMPIMÄMPI, not only is it beautiful how it rhymes, it's really satisfying to say, but it means warmer. And when anything is warmer in Finland, this is a reason to be happy and to celebrate. So for example, today is LÄMPIMÄMPI päivä. And here we have LÄMPIMÄMPI, which is the warmer sea. Let's see how much warmer. Not that much warmer, in fact. A little bit warmer, but not that much warmer. So my final word is LÖYLY. Even saying it is satisfying. LÖYLY. That's one of the reasons it makes me happy. The other reason it makes me happy is because it is the thing, the steam that you throw on sauna, the water you throw on the rocks, the steam that comes from those rocks. Not only is this a thing that makes me personally feel very wonderful and alive, but also LÖYLY is the name of this bar that I am standing upon the roof of. And this is one of my favourite places in town. If you want to see an example of LÖYLY in action, just look over there. I have no doubt whatsoever, inside, people are creating loads of LÖYLY over the rocks. So LÖYLY is a wonderful word to say, and it means wonderful things. So those are the 5 Finnish words that make me happiest. What we want to find out is what your happiest Finnish words are. So if you share them with the hashtag MyHappyWord on Very Finnish Problems, Twitter, Instagram or Facebook, you have the chance to win a signed autographed copy of 101 Very Finnish Problems and a year's subscription to Duolingo Plus. And if you want to learn Finnish, I suggest you head on over to the Duolingo and sign up and get their app and get learning some of those cool Finnish words. Good luck. Is the word PUPU. And PUPU means bunny. Yeah,